All right, y'all, here we got a thermostat today. This is just at my house. And I'm gonna just show you what some wires are in the thermostat. This is an Emerson thermostat. I live in an apartment right now, so this is the thermostat we have. So we have a fan on or auto, and then we have system, cool, off, heat, where it's kind of cool up here, so we have it in heat mode. This is your up and down, and then it tells you what the temperature is in the house and what you have it set to. So we have it set to 74 and it's 75. I don't know if you can see that little flame there, but that's showing it's in heat. So one other thing I want to show is this is off. So I took the thermostat off, right? And this has batteries in it. But I'm gonna show you what all the wires is. I'm not gonna touch anything because it's still live. And you don't, if you don't know what you're doing, call the HVAC professional. But we have our red wire there, and you see it's jumped over to RH. That's our 24 volts. That's giving constant 24 volts to the thermostat and to the board in there, so it can trigger when to go into heat, cool, fan, things like that. So then we have right next to that, if you can see that, I'm not trying to get too close because I don't want to spark it and blow the fuse. I have my green wire there. That's my fan. That basically tells the terminal to turn on the fan. And then we have a white terminal here that is our heat. So, and all these colors of the wire don't really mean anything. It's just where they're connected means everything. It's just, this is what we do in the HVAC trade. We just try to keep the colors as they are. We have yellow, and that's for cooling. So yellow for cooling, white for heat, RH and RC are jumped from R, and then we have green is our fan. We have a blue wire back there, and that's for a common wire. So if we were anything, like if we had an Ecobee or a Lyric or something that needed an extra power, then that would be it. Or you would put batteries in it. But how to take these off and put them on. So this one I could just push right on, right? There's some of them you have to pry up or pry down, whatever the case. And then it works just like a thermostat at that point. You know, most people know how to run a thermostat, but some people don't. This is just a basic thermostat. They have all kinds of different thermostats. They have Ecobees, Lyrics, Honeywell makes some, Core. There's all kinds of different brands of thermostat. But if you turn it up and down, so I'm setting it to 72, but it's 75 in my house. So that means the heat isn't going to turn on. I always keep my fan on auto. Especially in the heating season, because it's dry, and I only want, if I keep that fan on constantly, what's going to happen is it's going to just cool down my house too quick. During the summer, I keep it on because it circulates the air in my house. So, but that's all I have about a thermostat. I'll be making other videos about different things about the HVAC system. Just make sure you like and subscribe to the video if you liked it. And thank you and have a great day.